Clean up. I'm ready. I'm making noises. I can't help it. People think that I just do this because I'm on stream. I just do this in like the bathtub. I'll be in the bathtub just going like, oh, hey, hey. I'm a bird. I'm like a weird parrot thing. Like, I actually think I might have been a bird. You don't ask why birds do that shit, because they just do, and it's not like, hey, birds, shut the fuck up, why are you making sounds? They sing their songs and everybody loves them. When have you ever told a bird to shut the fuck up? Just being real.